Hi everyone. Today's session about Lightning Message Service. Okay, so Salesforce has one feature. So we will communicate across the term between Visual Force, Aura, and LWC components. So I will explain in more details in this session. So now I will go back to my arc. Okay, you guys remember my previous video, right? So I'm facing one issue. Like, let me open. So here, when I click on update case data, so I will give this information in the description how I created this update case data. This is the one lightning card. So opening a new tab, this is another video. I will give the description in the description this video. Now what issue I'm facing? Now here you can see subject and a description. So now I will give 1 2 3. That means I'm updating some description. So when I will update this, what is happening? This is Salesforce standard page, record page. Okay. So these details are not updated. Let me see. Now case data updated. Now unless I will refresh this, then you can see data is updated. This is an issue. Okay. Now now I will open my Visual Studio. Okay. Now you guys remember, right, last video how I created there is a button in highlight panel. Okay, I will give more details in the description. You can just open that video. You can watch that video. Okay. Now I will open the same button. Now here when I click on this update button, now I will start from here. Okay. So what I did first I created lightning message channel. There is a one variable you can see here. So I created one variable refresh tz underscore. This is a tz technology, guys. You can give any name here. In this metadata message channel, I created one variable. This is my variable. Okay, first this is message channel variable. First thing. Now in LWC, I created one LWC component. It is a blank LWC component, page refresh helper. Okay, blank in the sense you can see this is a dummy. There is no code, simply blank value. Now, this is the main thing. Okay, so by using Salesforce LMS, I mean to say messaging services, right? So I'm importing, these are the events I'm importing. You can see, and refresh also I'm importing, and I want to subscribe my variable here. I will tell you in more details why I used this variable. Now here you can see I I mean to say I want to subscribe that event. So first, this is the wire API Salesforce. So I don't want to explain this, already know everyone. Now this is a connected callback. This is a lifecycle method. When this method will work, you guys already, just I will tell you. Once page loaded into the DOM, that means component loaded in the HTML DOM, then this method will execute. Okay. Now here I'm calling this method subscribe to subscribe to message channel. Okay. Here you can see, here I'm subscribing my message. This is the main thing. Okay. This is one. So once I'm subscribing, whenever message is coming, this method automatically it will invoke. Invoke in the sense by using this only, but we are initializing this one. Initializing at the when component is loading in the DOM. Now it will wait when whenever new message is coming to this component, right? So it will receive. And here I'm calling our own custom method. You can see here, simply I'm printing that message, what message I'm sending. This is a Salesforce out of the box component. I will say dispatch. I mean to say I'm refreshing the page completely, whatever page I'm rendering it this way. This is one simple basic component, and I'm giving these are the permissions, okay, for this component. Now I will go back to the previous component. So first I will go to where I am updating my component. Yeah. So once success message, I mean it is a toast message is displayed, then simply I'm calling this method update record view. Okay. So in this record view, right? Update record view. So simply I'm sending one message context. You can see message context. Simply this is one dummy message I'm sending. Okay, this is nothing but payload. So in this message, you can see refresh event, nothing but I'm subscribe. I mean say I'm sending this data by using this variable. Okay, message refresh message. So here simply publish. So once you publish, right, what will happen in internally? This subscriber in the message helper, this subscribe, right? This method automatically it will invoke and it will call this handler message. This is about overview of this LMS. And now what changes I did? Now first I need to deploy these changes to my Salesforce org. Let me deploy this. Yeah, deployed. Now I will deploy this also. Now deployment is completed. Now this is the page. Open this lightning, I mean to say flexi page. I did this. Let me load this page. So this is one example I'm using for LMS. You can use any of your needs, right? So we will use that lightning messaging services. So I will try to render my component. Yeah, this is my helper. Okay. So here I will render somewhere in this space. This component is hidden. Hidden in the sense, not hidden. Okay. Yeah. Now here you can see that component not visible because this is a blank page. Okay. It is not at all visible to the user. Now I'm saving this page. Yeah. Now it is saved. Now I will go back to case record. Here you can see that page is I mean it's a refresh helper, right? It is not at all visible. Now I will update the case data in different tab. So here I will use T, tg tg, then update. Now here you can see immediately it is updated without refreshing my page by using LMS Lightning Messaging Service. So this is one of example I used. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my video. Thank you for watching this video.